Narinig mo na ba ang katagang, live life to the fullest? Are you really living a fulfilling life? Masaya ka ba sa pang-araw-araw mong buhay? Are you having this everyday routine of waking up, going to work, going home, going to bed, and repeat the process all over again? Aminin man natin o hindi, karamihan sa atin, ganyan ang lifestyle. Marami kang gustong gawin ngunit hindi sapat ang iyong panahon. O baka naman, hindi sapat ang iyong budget. Isang beses lang tayo mabubuhay sa mundo, kaibigan. Bakit hindi mo sulitin at i-enjoy ang buhay mo? May dalawang option ka para kumita ng pera. It's either magtrabaho ka o magnegosyo ka. Alam mo ba kung ano mas maganda sa dalawa? Sa One Goal, we are offering you a chance to change your everyday routine and opportunity to start your own business, wherein you can spend just your spare time or even full time if you want. I'm not just referring to those who are working. Pwede ka dito even if you are a student, a housewife, an employee, or even a businessman. Opo mga kaibigan, kahit ano pang profesyon mo, may natapos man o wala, kahit ano pang ginagawa mo sa buhay, pwede ka dito as long as meron kang time. And by the way, we're not going to ask you to give up on your everyday routine or your work. All you have to do is to try. Hindi ba't wala namang masama kung iyong susubukan? Maliit ang investment, malaki ang kitaan. At hindi mo kailangang ubusin ang iyong oras. Hindi ba't kung bibili ka ng franchise ng Minute Burger, gagastos ka ng more than 500,000 pesos plus 30,000 pesos para sa working capital? Hindi ba't kung magsisimula ka ng kahit anong business, gagastos ka ng malaking puhunan? Pero dito sa One Goal, you can start having your own business for about 4,444 pesos only. Tama po kaibigan, 4,444 pesos lang ang starting capital na kailangan mo. And you have the privilege to work at home or even in the field. It's absolutely your choice. Don't worry, we're going to provide you all the backup that you'll need. Baka ito na ang opportunity na hinahanap mo. Interesado ka na bang malaman kung paano ka kikita sa One Goal? Panoorin ang iba pang video na nandito sa aming website at panoorin kung gaano kaganda at epektibo ang mga produkto ng One Goal.
Created using Powtoon.